Hello, folks. My name is Jorge Vasiliades, and I am the founder of WireTank. At WireTank, we have developed different UR Plus certified products, which have greatly simplified robotic dispensing applications, and we learned a lot in the process. Today, we are looking to combine all this information into a video podcast series that will hopefully save you time as you develop your own path-following projects. We will cover a lot of theory and topics that not only apply to dispensing projects, but to any path-following robotic project using UR, like welding or part finishing. The theory behind these tips and tricks will allow you to deploy scalable programs that perform well in changing environments. We will discuss the theory of TCPs, how to define their position and orientation using a couple of different methods. We will cover the theory of planes and how it affects how you choose to define your planes, what your x-axis should be, what your y direction should be, why that matters. We will then talk about a very critical topic that will be the basis for the rest of the series, which is the concept of a pose and its use as variable waypoints. Having established that knowledge, we will discuss how to move the robot relative to the base, the tool, different planes, and how to translate the current position of the robot to different planes, not only the base, and how to do all of this programmatically within a program. We will then show how to use variable waypoints to create a scalable dispensing program. We will discuss what scalable means in that context. We will cover how to import a sketch from SolidWorks using UR's toolpath URCap. And finally, we will show some tips and tricks to make the process easier using some of our products.